Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss AWS Security Group Basics. At the end of this video, you will be able to describe the characteristics of AWS security groups. A security group acts as a virtual firewall for your instance to control inbound and outbound traffic. When you launch an instance in a VPC, you can assign the instance to up to 5 security groups. Security groups act at the instance level, not the subnet level. Therefore, each instance in a subnet in your VPC could be assigned to a different set of security groups. If you don't specify a particular group at the launch time, the instance is automatically assigned to the default security group for the VPC. The following are the basic characteristics of security groups for your VPC. You have limits on the number of security groups that you can create per VPC, the number of rules that you can add to each security group, and the number of security groups you can associate with a network interface. For more information, see Amazon VPC limits. You can specify allow rules but not deny rules. You can specify separate rules for inbound and outbound traffic. When you create a security group, it has no inbound rules. Therefore, no inbound traffic is allowed until you add inbound rules to the security group. By default, a security group includes an outbound rule that allows all outbound traffic. You can remove the rule and add outbound rules that allow specific outbound traffic only. If your security group has no outbound rules, no outbound traffic is allowed. Security groups are stateful. If you send a request from your instance, the response traffic for that request is allowed to flow in regardless of inbound security group rules. Responses to allowed inbound traffic are allowed to flow out regardless of outbound rules. Instances associated with a security group can't talk to each other unless you add rules to allowing it. Exception: the default security group has 3 rules by default. Let us have a recap of what we have discussed so far. A security group acts as a virtual firewall for your instance to control inbound and outbound traffic. When you launch an instance in a VPC, you can assign the instance to up to 5 security groups. Security groups act at the instance level, not the subnet level. Thank you for watching this video.